right, here we have number 2. The semi-leaf shows the age of the teachers at a school. How many teachers work at that school? Well, we have to count. Let's just find all the data points, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 that is around 20 years old, right? 23, 25, 27, 29. There's 4 here. Then we're gonna add that. How many teachers in their 30s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 in their 30s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 in their 40s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 in their 50s. 1, 2, 3, and 3 in their 60s. So I can just use a calculator. 4 plus 8 plus 5 plus 7 plus 3. Oh, 27. So there are 27 total teachers because there are 27 data points. What is the range? So the range is again the max minus the min. And in this case, the max is 65 right here, 65. And the min is 23. 65 minus 23. That is 42. That is the range. Okay, you can't do it the other way or you're going to end up with a negative number. How many teachers are less than 35? So we just look at right here. This is 35. And let's see how many are less. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 teachers that are less than 35. What is the mode? Most means most occur. Right, that looks like 33. Yeah, that looks like most occur. It would be the age of 33 because there are 3 of them. Okay, and yeah, that's it.